Good morning, kahit hindi na morning. Okay. Nag-general cleaning ako. Kasi nga, may mga shoes akong ipapatapon na. Like, really ipapatapon na. Like, hindi ko na siya pwede ipa-repair. And look what I found! I found my old loafers. What the fuck? And I'll be honest with y'all, I had a face with loafers. Kasi yung papa ko, mahilig sa ganitong style ng sapatos. And I was like, ano mo maganda dito? And I bought these from Mario Deborro. Actually, papalit ako ng insoles nito. Pero okay pa naman siya. Like, I checked. And I was like, why did I stop wearing these? They were good. And I know, kailangan ko na palitin yung insoles. Sa sweldo na lang. And mukha siyang maliit. Pero these are size like 8.5 or 9s. And they fit me like a glove. And I was like, bakit mas tinigilan kong suotin to? Ang ganda-ganda nito. Ang comfortable niya. Like, what the heck? Another thing I really liked about these shoes is that they may look small, they may look like they will kill my feet, but they're really comfortable. So, baka suotin ko to sa work. I also have a couple of pair of shoes na nagulat ako na nandito pa. Akala ko dineclutter ko na siya o pinamigay ko na siya. Pero andito pa din. At dahil nga nagdi-declutter kami ni mama, may nahanap akong isang bagay na nagulat ako dito pa. Ito yung isa sa mga projects ko nung elementary. Cross-stitch. Nalala ko. May istorya to. Do you guys wanna know? Pero sige, kukwento ko pa. Nung elementary ako, we had a project that we have to create cross-stitch. Tapos, mahilig ako sa Hello Kitty. So, si Papa hinanapan niya ako ng pattern ng Hello Kitty. And he also bought all the materials. Si Mama gumawa nung, alam niyo yung bilog na dun ka nagko-cross-stitch? Dahil, ginawa na ng nanay ko noon. Diyos ko na. Very, very big sa akin to kasi pina-frame pa ng tatay ko. Alam mo yun, like, hindi siya magarbo, hindi siya sobrang detailed. Like, there are really spots that I would say, oh my God, I fucked up. But he was so proud that he had it framed. Pinaka-naalala ko din dito sa project na to, itong Hello Kitty cross-stitch na to is, promise, pilitan ko tong ginawa. Alam mo yun, parang, andun yung, ayoko siyang gawin, pero kailangan kong gawin. But I'm happy. I did it. Which also made me realize something. Na no matter how simple or how, you know, like, little of a project I make, I will always remember na proud sa akin yung papa ko. Kasi pina-frame niya to dahil. Like, pina-frame niya. Like, why? Like, pina-frame to ng tatay ko. Diba? Like, magkano yung costing ng frame? Diba? Siya nag-frame nito eh. Binili niya yung frame, to siya yung nag-design. Though, very, very simple. Pero nakita ko yung love ng tatay ko dito. Ramdam na ramdam ko.